Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I am bringing you along to show you this cake turntable, and it also comes with some other items that I got from Kootek, and I hope I'm saying that name right. So stay tuned and I'll show you some of the features and what came in the box. And in the description box below there will be a link how you can get this cake decorating set. Also, there will be a discount code, but the discount code's not going to last long. So if you want it, you need to act quick, and it's already a great price. So let me show you what came in the box. This is what's packaged in the box. Of course, there's the turntable that you can set your cake on and decorate. Makes it a lot easier. And a couple of spatulas. And an offset spatula. And then I will demonstrate how you can use these. You just put your icing on and go around your cake to make pretty designs. You've got that one. You've got this one that also does fancy, makes your icing look real fancy. You've got this one, and you can also kind of chop up stuff with it too, like if you're doing fondant and stuff. And then you got this one. It also comes with some piping bags. You get a lot of them. It comes with the sculpture and stuff that goes down. I hope I'm saying that right. That goes down in the bag. You put this down in the bag, cut the tip off, put your tip on, and then screw it on like that, and that holds your tip in place. And it also comes with some decorating tips. It comes with 6 of them. You have this tip that I used to make like leaves and stuff. Like a star tip. This tip. And this is a great set to get started with cake decorating. So let me show you how some of the features work. And I have my cake sitting on just a cardboard round. And I made my frosting. And this is great to spin it around. I've always wanted one of these turntables. It makes work so much easier. Okay, let's say I wanted to smooth out the top of my cake. I'm using this flat side. You just kind of can go around, get a nice smooth edge on the top, and make it as even as possible. And if you wanted the smooth sides for the edges too, you can just go around it and collect all the excess frosting. But I want to use this edge right here, or you can start from this end too and come this way. And then you can go back with this one and smooth back out your top. Get all the sides back on. It does make icing the cake a lot easier. Now I'll show you how to prepare your bag. Just cut a little bit of this end off. Take this part, push it down in the bag as far as you can, and then you can see if you need to cut off just a little bit more, and I do. And then whichever tip you want to use, just put it on there. Take this part, And now it's nice and secure. Then just decorate your cake how you like it. And you have a nice turntable. You can just turn it as you go. Okay, let's say I want to use the same color and I want to change out tips. I just take this off. Put another tip on. And just put this back in place. I'm not very good at writing on the cakes. And now, to change this back out, to do a different type of border around the cake. With this tip, you can do all kind of cute designs. And if you mess up, you can take one of these and just kind of scrape it off and start over. That's what I do. And back to this tip, the one we used for the border down here. You can make some pretty little like drop flowers. And now let me show you if you just want to use a bag with just the tip. Just cut off the edge. And I just drop my tip on in. Sometimes I will put a piece of clear tape around here, but that's in there pretty secure. And I like to use this tip as the leaf tip. And now holding it with the flat like this, with this part like flat, I'll show you how I kind of make a leaf. Let me zoom in. Just kind of decide where you want it. We'll do one this way. I kind of just hold it flat and at an angle like this. Just kind of squeeze real hard. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And release. I'm not squeezing hard the whole time. But I squeeze and then release and wiggle, wiggle. And then if you want to make it kind of going down the side of the cake, again, squeeze and release. And if you don't want any wiggle lines in it, just squeeze and release. Let me show you right here. Squeeze and release. And like I say, you have all these other tips. You get 6 tips in total. And this is a great starter, even a starter kit if you want to practice. Just order this. It's very inexpensive. It doesn't cost much at all. And again, there'll be a discount code in the description box below, but that discount code don't last long. So just click the link and go check it out. And you got your turntable and everything. And so I want to thank Kootek for sending this to me to show y'all. It's awesome, and I've always wanted a turntable and an offset spatula, and that makes it easy to frost the cakes too. So anyway, thanks for watching, and make sure you click the link below to check the product out. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.